Okay, there's a 427 block, pretty rusty, but I will clean that up. We can't surface blocks here, so I took it to another shop over about an hour away, and I had it surfaced, so the deck's been cut. I ended up cutting it about, I think I went about 15 thou, if I remember right. I'll have to go back and look. I went 10 or 15 thou. I wanted 5 to clean it up, just to make sure it was straight front to back. And then I went another 5 after that, I believe is what I told them, so that I would maybe just gain a little bit of compression. But now this will help me have an accurate compression in every hole by having it surfaced and true. So kind of one of the stages of blueprinting, but not kind of, it is. And so yeah, I just thought I would show you that, and then I'll show you some more when it's up in the stand, and after I've got a brush and clean a bunch of this stuff off and make it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, it's looking better, it's getting closer. I will be back.